Hi, good morning. Today I'm going for I'm doing work from home today. So this is my house. I'm going out. I just took my bike out. There it is. I just took my bike out of my home, and like the issue is my bike's chains got completely ripped. Like yesterday it got shattered. I was going in a way and the chain got completely shattered. So let me show you. Know if you can see that, but I opened this up and you can see the chain there, but it's completely shattered. Completely, nothing is remaining there. So I'm taking it to the mechanic, and I will check what we can do with that. If it's in good condition, then if we can do anything jugaad type things, then it's okay. Or if not, then I have to change it. Changing it might cost me like 1500 rupees, nearly like something like that. But I think I wish the jugaad must work. I just wish. So let's take it to the mechanic and let's see what happens there. As you know, the recently government has changed in West Bengal. So before the government has been changed, there are some what is it called? Unnoyon. Some thing has been done, but let me show you what Twindon has been done. I was thinking about that to show you. You seeing this road? The yellowish parts of this roads. This road is just recently created. Just recently. Here I am, and these roads are recently created. So the issue is, you can see the yellowish part of the road. That is the sand. Like they made the mixture of cement, sand, and those stones, and after few days the sands already came out and the road is being shattered from like uh, cracking at some points and shattering at some parts. It's not even been 30 days yet, but this road is already gone. The sand is coming out. Like I think if the rain continues for 7 to 10 days, the road won't be there. The old road, we can see that, and we will be driving on that. So that is the condition of here right now. So here my bike is going to the doctor's chamber right now. So I went to the mechanic and he said I do not need to change the chain right now. There is a bearing need to be changed. Pocket and chain is okay. This will be less. So I'm happy. I'm going for the tea, fast morning tea at 1 p.m. So let's meet you after that. So I came back to home after having the tea, the morning, not morning, the afternoon tea. I came to take my laptop. I'm going to my brother's, elder brother's home for a project to show him and have to do some things on the computer. I'm doing work from home, okay? I'm doing work from home. So let's go there and I will show you the projects. I will show you the projects I'm working on. That is a bike. That is the Passion Plus. They've been covered because of too much heat. So I will take that bike out in the evening. I think so, but if the Pulsar get repaired within 2 days, so I will be riding on that Pulsar and I will show you at the night the Passion Plus. I am currently going to his home and I will be doing the stuff, technical stuff, and I will show you the projects I'm working on. So let's go there. So I am here in my elder brother's house and starting to work on one of my personal project and also one of a office project. So let me show you those. This is one of my personal project. This website is based on what we can say. What is it called? People can search for areas where the plot is going at what price, like based on the square feet. and also I provide a 3D view. I'm working on the models right now to show how the house can be built, and you can see here the estimator, like how many floors, what is the quality of the thing. I'm gonna change the theme of the application, how it is gonna work. So like if you can see, the 3-story building will be around cost of this estimation, and the ground price is different. The ground price is different, like where I'm creating it, like in the Gulabag area, the price is going like here. This will be set from the admin panel, and this is one of my personal project I am currently working on. I have been searching for 3D maps for India location, but I can only find Maple, that is Map My India. It is actually quite good, but I'm searching for the other thing where I can get those, but there is not so much options available. Bharat Maps, I will look for that, but I don't think it gonna work well. So I'm searching for this right now. I got a repo where they have builds like this type of builds. I can pick some buildings from here. They have API integration and everything free. I will try this, but I don't think this is gonna work. I will need some like 3D building based on Indian culture. Secondly, this is my one of my second project. This is office project, like not my personal project. This is my official project. This is just a static website, nothing more than that. Page of like organization name SS Education. They have this portal ssadmission.in. Let me complete this task and I'll meet you with the completed and the updated version of the softwares. Let me do this and let's meet there. So I'm done with my lunch. I went to the mechanic. My bike is completely repaired and I didn't have to change the chain sprocket. He did it, like doing the things, magic of his hands, and my bike is repaired. It cost me around 250 to 290 rupees. I paid 290 rupees. It was 250 rupees bill and 40 rupees extra. You know what, for 40 rupees. And I came back and I'm starting to do the job again. You can see I changed the website interface to here like this. I'm adding images here. This is how it's looking like right now. Get estimate. Then you will land here and the estimator that I showed you previously. That's what it's now at. So hi, a shit happened today. So all of my videos that I was recording since the evening, every video got deleted. I was cleaning up my phone to have some storage. I'm almost done with my phone storage. So I was cleaning up and I accidentally deleted all the videos that are recorded in the evening. So okay, things happen. So let me show you one thing. Like, wait, did you guys see this thing? Do you know them? One here and one here. Hey, hey, I got them. I got them today from a Kinder Joy. Here these are. I bought two of them. I got two of this from those two Kinder Joys. And let me show you the main part of this video. Let me show you. You guys wanna see the biggest flex of my life? The biggest flex? Let me show you. My girlfriend gave me this. Let me show you. Here is the container. Let me take it out. Here I present the Dodge Challenger. Here is the Dodge Challenger, guys. Here is the Dodge Challenger. Let me show you how I drive it. You see this? This is the remote. Yes. You can see. This is a 4-wheel drive. 4x4. This is a 4x4, guys. This is a 4x4. Now here it goes. Okay, I'm not able to show you how I am turning this. Let me try if I can show you. Yes, this is the steering wheel. You see? Okay, let me show you. This car is too much fast, too much. It has some LED effect. Here you can see this is the parking. This is the front and rear braking things. No, this is just the ground one. This is the braking and front light. Yes, you can see this. You can see the brake lights, right? And this is the all LEDs on. I have a personal Dodge Challenger, okay? Okay, don't take me light. Don't take me lightly. I have a personal Dodge Challenger. So that's it for today. So sorry, my all my vlogs got deleted, and extremely sorry for that. That's the pack up for today, and thank you. We'll meet you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Sayonara. And the main part. Someone said, guys in a relationship is a failure in business.